أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم.
I seek refuge with Allah from the accursed devil.
بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful.
تبارك الذي بيده الملك وهو على كل شيء قدير.
Blessed is he in whose hand is dominion, and he is over all things competent.
الذي خلق الموت والحياة ليبلوكم أيكم أحسن عملا وهو العزيز الغفور.
He who created death and life to test you as to which of you is best indeed, and he is the exalted in might, the forgiving.
الذي خلق سبع سماوات طباقا ما ترى في خلق الرحمن من تفاوت فارجع البصر هل ترى من فطور.
And who created 7 heavens in layers. You do not see in the creation of the most merciful any inconsistency. So return your vision to the sky. Do you see any breaks?
ثم ارجع البصر كرتين ينقلب إليك البصر خاسئا وهو حسير.
Then return your vision twice again. Your vision will return to you humbled while it is fatigued.
ولقد زينا السماء الدنيا بمصابيح وجعلناها رجوما للشياطين وأعتدنا لهم عذاب السعير.
And we have certainly beautified the nearest heaven with stars, and have made from them what is thrown at the devils, and have prepared for them the punishment of the blaze.
وللذين كفروا بربهم عذاب جهنم وبئس المصير.
And for those who disbelieved in their Lord is the punishment of hell, and wretched is the destination.
إذا ألقوا فيها سمعوا لها شهيقا وهي تفور.
When they are thrown into it, they hear from it a dreadful inhaling while it boils up.
تكاد تميز من الغيظ كلما ألقي فيها فوج سألهم خزنتها ألم يأتكم نذير.
It almost bursts with rage. Every time a company is thrown into it, its keepers ask them, "Did there not come to you a warner?"
قالوا بلى قد جاءنا نذير فكذبنا وقلنا ما نزل الله من شيء إن أنتم إلا في ضلال كبير.
They will say, "Yes, a warner had come to us, but we denied and said, Allah has not sent down anything. You are not but in great error."
وقالوا لو كنا نسمع أو نعقل ما كنا في أصحاب السعير.
And they will say, "If only we had been listening or reasoning, we would not be among the companions of the blaze."
فاعترفوا بذنبهم فسحقا لأصحاب السعير.
And they will admit their sin, so it is alienation for the companions of the blaze.
إن الذين يخشون ربهم بالغيب لهم مغفرة وأجر كبير.
Indeed, those who fear their Lord unseen will have forgiveness and great reward.
وأسروا قولكم أو اجهروا به إنه عليم بذات الصدور.
And conceal your speech or publicize it. Indeed, he is knowing of that within the breast.
ألا يعلم من خلق وهو اللطيف الخبير.
Does he who created not know, while he is the subtle, the acquainted?
والذي جعل لكم الأرض ذلولا فامشوا في مناكبها وكلوا من رزقه وإليه النشور.
It is he who made the earth tame for you. So walk among its slopes and eat of his provision, and to him is the resurrection.
أأمنتم من في السماء أن يخسف بكم الأرض فإذا هي تمور.
Do you feel secure that he who holds authority in the heaven would not cause the earth to swallow you and suddenly it would sway?
أم أمنتم من في السماء أن يرسل عليكم حاصبا فستعلمون كيف نذير.
Or do you feel secure that he who holds authority in the heaven would not send against you a storm of stones? Then you would know how severe was my warning.
ولقد كذب الذين من قبلهم فكيف كان نكير.
And already had those before them denied, and how terrible was my reproach.
أولم يروا إلى الطير فوقهم صافات ويقبض ما يمسكهن إلا الرحمن إنه بكل شيء بصير.
Do they not see the birds above them with wings outspread and sometimes folded in? None holds them aloft except the most merciful. Indeed, he is of all things seeing.
أمن هذا الذي هو جند لكم ينصركم من دون الرحمن إن الكافرون إلا في غرور.
Or who is it that could be an army for you to aid you other than the most merciful? The disbelievers are not but in delusion.
أمن هذا الذي يرزقكم إن أمسك رزقه بل لجوا في عتو ونفور.
Or who is it that could provide for you if he withheld his provision? But they have persisted in insolence and aversion.
أفمن يمشي مكبا على وجهه أهدى أمن يمشي سويا على صراط مستقيم.
Then is one who walks fallen on his face better guided, or one who walks erect on a straight path?
هو الذي أنشأكم وجعل لكم السمع والأبصار والأفئدة قليلا ما تشكرون.
Say, it is he who produced you and made for you hearing and vision and hearts. Little are you grateful.
قل هو الذي ذرأكم في الأرض وإليه تحشرون.
Say, it is he who has multiplied you throughout the earth, and to him you will be gathered.
ويقولون متى هذا الوعد إن كنتم صادقين.
And they say, when is this promise if you should be truthful?
قل إنما العلم عند الله وإنما
knowledge of its time is only with Allah, and I am only a clear warner.
فلما رأوه زلفة سيئت وجوه الذين كفروا وقيل هذا الذي كنتم به تدعون.
But when they see it approaching, the faces of those who disbelieve will be distressed, and it will be said, "This is that for which you used to call."
قل أرأيتم إن أهلكني الله ومن معي أو رحمنا فمن يجير الكافرين من عذاب أليم.
Say, have you considered whether Allah should cause me and those with me to perish or have mercy upon us? Who can protect the disbelievers from a painful punishment?
قل هو الرحمن آمنا به وعليه توكلنا فستعلمون من هو في ضلال مبين.
Say, He is the most merciful. We have believed in Him, and upon Him we have relied. And you will come to know who it is that is in clear error.
قل أرأيتم إن أصبح ماؤكم غورا فمن يأتيكم بماء معين.
Say, have you considered if your water was to become sunken into the earth, then who could bring you flowing water?
أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم.
I seek refuge with Allah from the accursed devil.
بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful.
إذا وقعت الواقعة
When the event occurs,
ليس لوقعتها كاذبة
there is at its occurrence no denial.
خافضة رافعة
It will bring down some and raise up others.
إذا رجت الأرض رجا
When the earth is shaken with convulsion,
وبست الجبال بسا
then the mountains are broken down, crumbling.
فكانت هباء منبثا
And become dust dispersing.
وكنتم أزواجا ثلاثة
And you become of three kinds.
فأصحاب الميمنة ما أصحاب الميمنة.
Then the companions of the right. What are the companions of the right?
وأصحاب المشأمة ما أصحاب المشأمة.
And the companions of the left. What are the companions of the left?
والسابقون السابقون.
And the forerunners, the forerunners.
أولئك المقربون.
Those are the ones brought near to Allah.
في جنات النعيم.
In the gardens of pleasure.
ثلة من الأولين.
A large company of the former peoples.
وقليل من الآخرين.
And a few of the later peoples.
على سرر موضونة.
On thrones woven with ornament.
متكئين عليها متقابلين.
Reclining on them, facing each other.
يطوف عليهم ولدان مخلدون.
There will circulate among them young boys made eternal.
بأكواب وأباريق وكأس من معين.
With vessels, pitchers, and a cup of wine from a flowing spring.
لا يصدعون عنها ولا ينزفون
No headache will they have therefrom, nor will they be intoxicated.
وفاكهة مما يتخيرون
And fruit of what they select,
ولحم طير مما يشتهون
and the meat of fowl from whatever they desire.
وحور عين
And for them are fair women with large, beautiful eyes,
كأمثال اللؤلؤ المكنون
the likenesses of pearls well protected,
جزاء بما كانوا يعملون
as reward for what they used to do.
لا يسمعون فيها لغوا ولا تأثيما
They will not hear therein ill speech or commission of sin,
إلا قيلا سلاما سلاما
only a saying, peace, peace.
وأصحاب اليمين ما أصحاب اليمين
The companions of the right. What are the companions of the right?
في سدر مخضود
They will be among lote trees with thorns removed,
وطلح منضود
and banana trees layered with fruit,
وظل ممدود
and shade extended,
وماء مسكوب
and water poured out,
وفاكهة كثيرة
and fruit abundant and varied,
لا مقطوعة ولا ممنوعة
neither limited to season nor forbidden,
وفرش مرفوعة
and upon beds raised high.
إنا أنشأناهن إنشاء
Indeed, we have produced the women of paradise in a new creation,
فجعلناهن أبكارا
and made them virgins,
عربا أترابا
devoted to their husbands and of equal age,
لأصحاب اليمين
for the companions of the right, who are
ثلة من الأولين
a company of the former peoples
وثلة من الآخرين
and a company of the later peoples.
وأصحاب الشمال ما أصحاب الشمال
And the companions of the left, what are the companions of the left?
في سموم وحميم
They will be in scorching fire and scalding water,
وظل من يحموم
and a shade of black smoke,
لا بارد ولا كريم
neither cool nor beneficial.
إنهم كانوا قبل ذلك مترفين
Indeed, they were before that, indulging in affluence,
وكانوا يصرون على الحنث العظيم
and they used to persist in the great violation.
وكانوا يقولون أإذا متنا وكنا ترابا وعظاما أإنا لمبعوثون
And they used to say, when we die and become dust and bones, are we indeed to be resurrected?
أو آباؤنا الأولين
Say, O Muhammad, indeed the former and the later peoples
لمجموعون إلى ميقات يوم معلوم
are to be gathered together for the appointment of a known day.
ثم إنكم أيها الضالون المكذبون
Then indeed you, O those astray, who are deniers,
لآكلون من شجر من زقوم
will be eating from trees of zakum,
فمالئون منها البطون
and filling with it your bellies,
فشاربون عليه من الحميم
and drinking on top of it from scalding water,
فشاربون شرب الهيم
and will drink as the drinking of thirsty camels.
هذا نزلهم يوم الدين
This is their accommodation on the day of recompense.
نحن خلقناكم فلولا تصدقون
We created you, so why do you not believe?
أفرأيتم ما تمنون
Have you seen that which you emit?
أأنتم تخلقونه أم نحن الخالقون
Is it you who creates it?
نحن قدرنا بينكم الموت وما نحن بمسبوقين
We have decreed death among you, and we are not to be outdone.
على أن نبدل أمثالكم وننشئكم فيما لا تعلمون
In that we will change your likenesses and produce you in that form which you do not know.
ولقد علمتم النشأة الأولى فلولا تذكرون
And you have already known the first creation, so will you not remember?
أفرأيتم ما تحرثون
And have you seen that seed which you sow?
أأنتم تزرعونه أم نحن الزارعون
Is it you who makes it grow, or are we the grower?
لو نشاء لجعلناه حطاما فظلتم تفكهون
If we willed, we could make it debris, and you would remain in wonder.
إنا لمغرمون
Saying, indeed we are now in debt,
بل نحن محرومون
rather we have been deprived.
أفرأيتم الماء الذي تشربون
And have you seen the water that you drink?
أأنتم أنزلتموه من المزن أم نحن المنزلون
Is it you who brought it down from the clouds, or is it we who bring it down?
لو نشاء جعلناه أجاجا فلولا تشكرون
If we willed, we could make it bitter, so why are you not grateful?
أفرأيتم النار التي تورون
And have you seen the fire that you ignite?
أأنتم أنشأتم شجرتها أم نحن المنشئون
Is it you who produced its tree, or are we the producer?
نحن جعلناها تذكرة ومتاعا للمقوين
We have made it a reminder and provision for the travelers,
فسبح باسم ربك العظيم.
So exalt the name of your Lord, the Most Great.
فلا أقسم بمواقع النجوم.
Then I swear by the setting of the stars.
وإنه لقسم لو تعلمون عظيم.
And indeed it is an oath, if you could know, most great.
إنه لقرآن كريم.
Indeed it is a noble Quran
في كتاب مكنون.
in a register well protected.
لا يمسه إلا المطهرون.
None touch it except the purified.
تنزيل من رب العالمين.
It is a revelation from the Lord of the worlds.
أفبهذا الحديث أنتم مدهنون.
Then is it to this statement that you are indifferent?
وتجعلون رزقكم أنكم تكذبون.
And make the thanks for your provision that you deny the provider?
فلولا إذا بلغت الحلقوم.
Then why, when the soul at death reaches the throat,
وأنتم حينئذ تنظرون.
and you are at that time looking on,
ونحن أقرب إليه منكم ولكن لا تبصرون.
and we are nearer to him than you, but you do not see.
فلولا إن كنتم غير مدينين.
Then why do you not, if you are not to be recompensed?
ترجعونها إن كنتم صادقين.
Bring it back, if you should be truthful.
فأما إن كان من المقربين.
And if he was of the ones brought near to Allah,
فروح وريحان وجنة نعيم.
then for him is rest and bounty in a garden of pleasure.
وأما إن كان من أصحاب اليمين.
And if he was of the companions of the right,
فسلام لك من أصحاب اليمين.
then the angels will say, peace for you, you are, from the companions of the right.
وأما إن كان من المكذبين الضالين.
But if he was of the deniers who were astray,
فنزل من حميم.
then for him is accommodation of scalding water
وتصلية جحيم.
and burning in hellfire.
إن هذا لهو حق اليقين.
Indeed, this is the true certainty.
فسبح باسم ربك العظيم.
So exalt the name of your Lord, the Most Great.
أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم.
I seek refuge with Allah from the accursed devil.
بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful.
الحمد لله الذي أنزل على عبده الكتاب.
to Allah, who has sent down upon his servant the book, and has not made therein any deviance.
قيما لينذر بأسا شديدا من لدنه ويبشر المؤمنين الذين يعملون الصالحات أن لهم أجرا حسنا.
He has made it straight, to warn of severe punishment from him, and to give good tidings to the believers who do righteous deeds, that they will have a good reward,
ماكثين فيه أبدا
in which they will remain forever,
وينذر الذين قالوا اتخذ الله ولدا
and to warn those who say, Allah has taken a son.
ما لهم به من علم ولا لآبائهم كبرت كلمة تخرج من أفواههم إن يقولون إلا كذبا.
They have no knowledge of it, nor do their forefathers. Grave is the word that comes out of their mouths. They speak not except a lie.
فلعلك باخع نفسك على آثارهم إن لم يؤمنوا بهذا الحديث أسفا.
Then perhaps you would kill yourself through grief over them, O Muhammad, if they do not believe in this message, and out of sorrow.
إنا جعلنا ما على الأرض زينة لها لنبلوهم أيهم أحسن عملا.
Indeed, we have made that which is on the earth adornment for it, that we may test them as to which of them is best indeed.
وإنا لجاعلون ما عليها صعيدا جرزا.
And indeed, we will make that which is upon it into a barren ground.
أم حسبت أن أصحاب الكهف والرقيم كانوا من آياتنا عجبا.
Or have you thought that the companions of the cave and the inscription were, among our signs, a wonder?
إذ أوى الفتية إلى الكهف فقالوا ربنا آتنا من لدنك رحمة وهيئ لنا من أمرنا رشدا.
Mention when the youths retreated to the cave and said, Our Lord, grant us from yourself mercy, and prepare for us from our affair right guidance.
فضربنا على آذانهم في الكهف سنين عددا.
So we cast a cover of sleep over their ears within the cave for a number of years.
ثم بعثناهم لنعلم أي الحزبين أحصى لما لبثوا أمدا.
Then we awakened them that we might show which of the two factions was most precise in calculating what extent they had remained in time.
نحن نقص عليك نبأهم بالحق إنهم فتية آمنوا بربهم وزدناهم هدى.
We relate to you their story in truth. Indeed, they were youths who believed in their Lord, and we increased them in guidance.
وربطنا على قلوبهم إذ قاموا فقالوا ربنا رب السماوات والأرض لن ندعو من دونه إلها لقد قلنا إذا شططا.
And we made firm their hearts when they stood up and said, Our Lord is the Lord of the heavens and the earth. Never will we invoke besides him any deity. We would have certainly spoken then an excessive transgression.
هؤلاء قوم اتخذوا من دونه آلهة لولا يأتون عليهم بسلطان بين فمن أظلم ممن افترى على الله كذبا.
These, our people, have taken besides him deities. Why do they not bring for worship of them a clear authority? And who is more unjust than one who invents about Allah a lie?
وَإِذِ اعْتَزَلْتُمُوهُمْ وَمَا يَعْبُدُونَ إِلَّا اللَّهَ فَأْوُوا إِلَى الْكَهْفِ ينشر لكم ربكم من رحمته ويهيئ لكم من أمركم مرفقا.
The youth said to one another, and when you have withdrawn from them and that which they worship other than Allah, retreat to the cave. Your Lord will spread out for you of his mercy and will prepare for you from your affair facility.
وترى الشمس إذا طلعت تزاور عن كهفهم ذات اليمين وإذا غربت تقرضهم ذات الشمال وهم في فجوة منه ذلك من آيات الله من يهد الله فهو المهتد ومن يضلل فلن تجد له وليا مرشدا.
And had you been present, you would see the sun when it rose, inclining away from their cave on the right, and when it set, passing away from them on the left, while they were laying within an open space thereof. That was from the signs of Allah. He whom Allah guides is the rightly guided, but he whom he leaves astray, never will you find for him a protecting guide.
وتحسبهم أيقاظا وهم رقود ونقلبهم ذات اليمين وذات الشمال وكلبهم باسط ذراعيه بالوصيد لو اطلعت عليهم لوليت منهم فرارا ولملئت منهم رعبا.
And you would think them awake while they were asleep, and we turned them to the right and to the left, while their dog stretched his forelegs at the entrance. If you had looked at them, you would have turned from them in flight and been filled by them with terror.
وكذلك بعثناهم ليتساءلوا بينهم قال قائل منهم كم لبثتم قالوا لبثنا يوما أو بعض يوم قالوا ربكم أعلم بما لبثتم فابعثوا أحدكم بورقكم هذه إلى المدينة فلينظر أيها أزكى طعاما فليأتكم برزق منه وليتلطف ولا يشعرن بكم أحدا.
And similarly, we awakened them that they might question one another. Said a speaker from among them, "How long have you remained here?" They said, "We have remained a day or part of a day." They said, "Your Lord is most knowing of how long you remained. So send one of you with this silver coin of yours to the city, and let him look to which is the best of food, and bring you provision from it, and let him be cautious, and let no one be aware of you."
إنهم إن يظهروا عليكم يرجموكم أو يعيدوكم في ملتهم ولن تفلحوا إذا أبدا.
Indeed, if they come to know of you, they will stone you or return you to their religion, and never would you succeed then, ever.
وكذلك أعثرنا عليهم ليعلموا أن وعد الله حق وأن الساعة لا ريب فيها إذ يتنازعون بينهم أمرهم فقالوا ابنوا عليهم بنيانا ربهم أعلم بهم قال الذين غلبوا على أمرهم لنتخذن عليهم مسجدا.
And thus we made their case known to the people that they might know that the promise of Allah is truth, and that of the hour there is no doubt. That was when they disputed among themselves about their affair, and then said, "Construct over them a structure. Their Lord is most knowing about them." Said those who prevailed in the matter, "We will surely take for ourselves over them a masjid."
سيقولون ثلاثة رابعهم كلبهم ويقولون خمسة سادسهم كلبهم رجما بالغيب ويقولون سبعة وثامنهم كلبهم قل ربي أعلم بعدتهم ما يعلمهم إلا قليل فلا تمار فيهم إلا مراء ظاهرا ولا تستفت فيهم منهم أحدا.
They, i.e., people, will say there were three, the fourth of them being their dog. And they will say there were five, the sixth of them being their dog, guessing at the unseen. And they will say there were seven, and the eighth of them was their dog. Say, "My Lord is most knowing of their number. None knows them except a few. So do not argue about them except with an obvious argument, and do not inquire about them among the speculators from anyone."
ولا تقولن لشيء إني فاعل ذلك غدا.
And never say of anything, "Indeed, I will do that tomorrow."
إلا أن يشاء الله واذكر ربك إذا نسيت وقل عسى أن يهديني ربي لأقرب من هذا رشدا.
Except when adding, "If Allah wills." And remember your Lord when you forget it and say, "Perhaps my Lord will guide me to what is nearer than this, to right conduct."
ولبثوا في كهفهم 300 سنين وازدادوا 9.
And they remained in their cave for 300 years and exceeded by 9.
قل الله أعلم بما لبثوا له غيب السماوات والأرض أبصر به وأسمع ما لهم من دونه من ولي ولا يشرك في حكمه أحدا.
Say, Allah is most knowing of how long they remained. He has knowledge of the unseen aspects of the heavens and the earth. How seeing is he and how hearing. They have not besides him any protector, and he shares not his legislation with anyone.
واتل ما أوحي إليك من كتاب ربك لا مبدل لكلماته ولن تجد من دونه ملتحدا.
And recite, O Muhammad, what has been revealed to you of the book of your Lord. There is no changer of his words, and never will you find another than him a refuge.
واصبر نفسك مع الذين يدعون ربهم بالغداة والعشي يريدون وجهه ولا تعد عيناك عنهم تريد زينة الحياة الدنيا ولا تطع من أغفلنا قلبه عن ذكرنا واتبع هواه وكان أمره فرطا.
And keep yourself patient by being with those who call upon their Lord in the morning and the evening, seeking his countenance. And let not your eyes pass beyond them, desiring adornments of the worldly life. And do not obey one whose heart we have made heedless of our remembrance, and who follows his desire, and whose affair is ever in neglect.
وَقُلِ الْحَقُّ مِنْ رَبِّكُمْ فَمَنْ شَاءَ فَلْيُؤْمِنْ وَمَنْ شَاءَ فَلْيَكْفُرْ إِنَّا أَعْتَدْنَا لِلظَّالِمِينَ نَارًا أَحَاطَ بِهِمْ سُرَادِقُهَا وَإِنْ يَسْتَغِيثُوا يُغَاثُوا بِمَاءٍ كَالْمُهْلِ يَشْوِي الْوُجُوهَ بِئْسَ الشَّرَابُ وَسَاءَتْ مُرْتَفَقًا.
And say, the truth is from your Lord, so whoever wills, let him believe, and whoever wills, let him disbelieve. Indeed, we have prepared for the wrongdoers a fire whose walls will surround them. And if they call for relief, they will be relieved with water like murky oil, which scalds their faces. Wretched is the drink, and evil is the resting place.
إن الذين آمنوا وعملوا الصالحات إنا لا نضيع أجر من أحسن عملا.
Indeed, those who have believed and done righteous deeds, indeed, we will not allow to be lost the reward of any who did well indeed.
أولئك لهم جنات عدن تجري من تحتهم الأنهار يحلون فيها من أساور من ذهب ويلبسون ثيابا خضرا من سندس واستبرق متكئين فيها على الأرائك نعم الثواب وحسنت مرتفقا.
Those will have gardens of perpetual residence. Beneath them rivers will flow. They will be adorned therein with bracelets of gold, and will wear green garments of fine silk and brocade, reclining therein on adorned couches. Excellent is the reward, and good is the resting place.
واضرب لهم مثل الرجلين جعلنا لأحدهما جنتين من أعناب وحففناهما
present to them an example of two men. We granted to one of them 2 gardens of grapevines, and we bordered them with palm trees and placed crops between them.
كلتا الجنتين آتت أكلها ولم تظلم منه شيئا وفجرنا خلالهما نهرا.
Each of the 2 gardens produced its fruit and did not fall short thereof in anything, and we caused to gush forth within them a river.
وكان له ثمر فقال لصاحبه وهو يحاوره أنا أكثر منك مالا وأعز نفرا.
And he had fruit, so he said to his companion while he was conversing with him, I am greater than you in wealth and mightier in numbers of men.
ودخل جنته وهو ظالم لنفسه قال ما أظن أن تبيد هذه أبدا.
And he entered his garden while he was unjust to himself. He said, I do not think that this will perish, ever.
وما أظن الساعة قائمة ولئن رددت إلى ربي لأجدن خيرا منها منقلبا.
And I do not think the hour will occur. And even if I should be brought back to my Lord, I will surely find better than this as a return.
قال له صاحبه وهو يحاوره أكفرت بالذي خلقك من تراب ثم من نطفة ثم سواك رجلا.
His companion said to him while he was conversing with him, have you disbelieved in he who created you from dust, and then from a sperm drop, and then proportioned you as a man?
لكن هو الله ربي ولا أشرك بربي أحدا.
But as for me, he is Allah, my Lord, and I do not associate with my Lord anyone.
ولولا إذ دخلت جنتك قلت ما شاء الله لا قوة إلا بالله إن ترني أنا أقل منك مالا وولدا.
And why did you, when you entered your garden, not say, what Allah willed has occurred? There is no power except in Allah. Although you see me less than you in wealth and children,
فعسى ربي أن يؤتيني خيرا من جنتك ويرسل عليها حسبانا من السماء فتصبح صعيدا زلقا.
it may be that my Lord will give me something better than your garden, and will send upon it a calamity from the sky, and it will become a smooth, dusty ground.
أو يصبح ماؤها غورا فلن تستطيع له طلبا.
Or its water will become sunken into the earth, so you would never be able to seek it.
وأحيط بثمره فأصبح يقلب كفيه على ما أنفق فيها وهي خاوية على عروشها ويقول يا ليتني لم أشرك بربي أحدا.
And his fruits were encompassed by ruin. So he began to turn his hands about in dismay over what he had spent on it, while it had collapsed upon its trellises and said, "Oh, I wish I had not associated with my Lord anyone."
ولم تكن له فئة ينصرونه من دون الله وما كان منتصرا.
And there was for him no company to aid him other than Allah, nor could he defend himself.
هنالك الولاية لله الحق هو خير ثوابا وخير عقبا.
There the authority is completely for Allah, the truth. He is best in reward and best in outcome.
واضرب لهم مثل الحياة الدنيا كماء إن أنزلناه من السماء فاختلط به نبات الأرض فأصبح هشيما تذروه الرياح وكان الله على كل شيء مقتدرا.
And present to them the example of the life of this world. It is like rain which we send down from the sky, and the vegetation of the earth mingles with it. Then it becomes dry remnants scattered by the winds, and Allah is ever over all things, perfect in ability.
المال والبنون زينة الحياة الدنيا والباقيات الصالحات خير عند ربك ثوابا وخير أملا.
Wealth and children are but adornment of the worldly life, but the enduring good deeds are better to your Lord for reward and better for one's hope.
ويوم نسير الجبال وترى الأرض بارزة وحشرناهم فلم نغادر منهم أحدا.
And warn of the day when we will remove the mountains, and you will see the earth prominent, and we will gather them and not leave behind from them anyone.
وعرضوا على ربك صفا لقد جئتمونا كما خلقناكم أول مرة بل زعمتم أن لن نجعل لكم موعدا.
And they will be presented before your Lord in rows, and he will say, "You have certainly come to us just as we created you the first time, but you claimed that we would never make for you an appointment."
ووضع الكتاب فترى المجرمين مشفقين مما فيه ويقولون يا ويلتنا ما لهذا الكتاب لا يغادر صغيرة ولا كبيرة إلا أحصاها ووجدوا ما عملوا حاضرا ولا يظلم ربك أحدا.
And the record of deeds will be placed open, and you will see the criminals fearful of that within it, and they will say, "Oh, woe to us! What is this book that leaves nothing small or great, except that it has enumerated it?" And they will find what they did present before them, and your Lord does injustice to no one.
وَإِذْ قُلْنَا لِلْمَلَائِكَةِ اسْجُدُوا لِآدَمَ فَسَجَدُوا إِلَّا إِبْلِيسَ كَانَ مِنَ الْجِنِّ فَفَسَقَ وذريته أولياء من دوني وهم لكم عدو بئس للظالمين بدلا.
And mention when we said to the angels, prostrate to Adam, and they prostrated, except for Iblis. He was of the jinn and departed from the command of his Lord. Then will you take him and his descendants as allies other than me, while they are enemies to you? Wretched it is for the wrongdoers as an exchange.
ما أشهدتهم خلق السماوات والأرض ولا خلق أنفسهم وما كنت متخذ المضلين عضدا.
I did not make them witness to the creation of the heavens and the earth, or to the creation of themselves, and I would not have taken the misguiders as assistants.
ويوم يقول نادوا شركائي الذين زعمتم فدعوهم فلم يستجيبوا لهم وجعلنا بينهم موبقا.
And warn of the day when he will say, call my partners whom you claimed, and they will invoke them, but they will not respond to them, and we will put between them a barrier of separation.
ورأى المجرمون النار فظنوا أنهم واقعوها ولم يجدوا عنها مصرفا.
And the criminals will see the fire, and will be certain that they are to fall therein, and they will not find from it a way elsewhere.
ولقد صرفنا في هذا القرآن للناس من كل مثل وكان الإنسان أكثر شيء جدلا.
And we have certainly diversified in this Quran for the people from every kind of example, but man has ever been, most of anything, prone to dispute.
وما منع الناس أن يؤمنوا إذ جاءهم الهدى ويستغفروا ربهم إلا أن تأتيهم سنة الأولين أو يأتيهم العذاب قبلا.
And nothing has prevented the people from believing when guidance came to them, and from asking forgiveness of their Lord, except that there must befall them the accustomed precedent of the former peoples, or that the punishment should come directly before them.
وما نرسل المرسلين إلا مبشرين ومنذرين ويجادل الذين كفروا بالباطل ليدحضوا به الحق واتخذوا آياتي وما أنذروا هزوا.
And we send not the messengers except as bringers of good tidings and warners, and those who disbelieve dispute by using falsehood to attempt to invalidate thereby the truth, and they have taken my verses and that of which they are warned in ridicule.
ومن أظلم ممن ذكر بآيات ربه فأعرض عنها ونسي ما قدمت يداه إنا جعلنا على قلوبهم أكنة أن يفقهوه وفي آذانهم وقرا وإن تدعهم إلى الهدى فلن يهتدوا إذا أبدا.
And who is is more unjust than one who is reminded of the verses of his Lord, but turns away from them and forgets what his hands have put forth? Indeed, we have placed over their hearts coverings, lest they understand it, and in their ears deafness. And if you invite them to guidance, they will never be guided then, ever.
وَرَبُّكَ الْغَفُورُ ذُو الرَّحْمَةِ لَوْ يُؤَاخِذُهُم بِمَا كَسَبُوا لَعَجَّلَ لَهُمُ الْعَذَابَ بَل لَّهُم مَّوْعِدٌ لَّن يَجِدُوا مِن دُونِهِ مَوْئِلًا.
And your Lord is the forgiving, full of mercy. If he were to impose blame upon them for what they earned, he would have hastened for them the punishment. But for them is an appointment from which they will never find an escape.
وَتِلْكَ الْقُرَىٰ أَهْلَكْنَاهُمْ لَمَّا ظَلَمُوا وَجَعَلْنَا لِمَهْلِكِهِم مَّوْعِدًا.
And those cities, we destroyed them when they wronged, and we made for their destruction an appointed time.
وَإِذْ قَالَ مُوسَىٰ لِفَتَاهُ لَا أَبْرَحُ حَتَّىٰ أَبْلُغَ مَجْمَعَ الْبَحْرَيْنِ أَوْ أَمْضِيَ حُقُبًا.
And mention when Moses said to his boy, I will not cease traveling until I reach the junction of the two seas.
فَلَمَّا بَلَغَا مَجْمَعَ بَيْنِهِمَا نَسِيَا حُوتَهُمَا فَاتَّخَذَ سَبِيلَهُ فِي الْبَحْرِ سَرَبًا.
But when they reached the junction between them, they forgot their fish, and it took its course into the sea, slipping away.
فَلَمَّا جَاوَزَا قَالَ لِفَتَاهُ آتِنَا غَدَاءَنَا لَقَدْ لَقِينَا مِن سَفَرِنَا هَٰذَا نَصَبًا.
So when they had passed beyond it, Moses said to his boy, Bring us our morning meal. We have certainly suffered in this, our journey, much fatigue.
قَالَ أَرَأَيْتَ إِذْ أَوَيْنَا إِلَى الصَّخْرَةِ فَإِنِّي نَسِيتُ الْحُوتَ وَمَا أَنسَانِيهُ إِلَّا الشَّيْطَانُ أَنْ أَذْكُرَهُ وَاتَّخَذَ سَبِيلَهُ فِي الْبَحْرِ عَجَبًا.
He said, Did you see when we retired to the rock? Indeed, I forgot the fish, and none made me forget it except Satan, that I should mention it. And it took its course into the sea amazingly.
قَالَ ذَلِكَ مَا كُنَّا نَبْغِ فَارْتَدَّا عَلَىٰ آثَارِهِمَا قَصَصًا.
Moses said, That is what we were seeking. So they returned, following their footprints.
فَوَجَدَا عَبْدًا مِّنْ عِبَادِنَا آتَيْنَاهُ رَحْمَةً مِّنْ عِندِنَا وَعَلَّمْنَاهُ مِن لَّدُنَّا عِلْمًا.
And they found a servant from among our servants to whom we had given mercy from us, and had taught him from us a certain knowledge.
قَالَ لَهُ مُوسَىٰ هَلْ أَتَّبِعُكَ عَلَىٰ أَن تُعَلِّمَنِ مِمَّا عُلِّمْتَ رُشْدًا.
Moses said to him, May I follow you on the condition that you teach me from what you have been taught of sound instruction?
قَالَ إِنَّكَ لَن تَسْتَطِيعَ مَعِيَ صَبْرًا.
He said, indeed, with me, you will never be able to have patience.
وكيف تصبر على ما لم تحط به خبرا.
And how can you have patience for what you do not encompass in knowledge?
قال ستجدني إن شاء الله صابرا ولا أعصي لك أمرا.
Moses said, you will find me, if Allah wills, patient, and I will not disobey you in any order.
قال فإن اتبعتني فلا تسألني عن شيء حتى أحدث لك منه ذكرا.
He said, then if you follow me, do not ask me about anything until I make to you about it mention.
فانطلقا حتى إذا ركبا في السفينة خرقها قال أخرقتها لتغرق أهلها لقد جئت شيئا إمرا.
So they set out until when they had embarked on the ship, he tore it open. Moses said, have you torn it open to drown its people? You have certainly done a grave thing.
قال ألم أقل إنك لن تستطيع معي صبرا.
Al-Khidr said, did I not say that with me you would never be able to have patience?
قال لا تؤاخذني بما نسيت ولا ترهقني من أمري عسرا.
Moses said, do not blame me for what I forgot, and do not cover me in my matter with difficulty.
فانطلقا حتى إذا لقيا غلاما فقتله قال أقتلت نفسا زكية بغير نفس لقد جئت شيئا نكرا.
So they set out until when they met a boy, he killed him. Moses said, have you killed a pure soul for other than having killed a soul? You have certainly done a deplorable thing.
قال ألم أقل لك إنك لن تستطيع معي صبرا.
Al-Khidr said, did I not tell you that with me you would never be able to have patience?
قال إن سألتك عن شيء بعدها فلا تصاحبني قد بلغت من لدني عذرا.
Moses said, if I should ask you about anything after this, then do not keep me as a companion. You have obtained from me an excuse.
فانطلقا حتى إذا أتيا أهل قرية استطعما أهلها فأبوا أن يضيفوهما فوجدا فيها جدارا يريد أن ينقض فأقامه قال لو شئت لاتخذت عليه أجرا.
So they set out until when they came to the people of a town, they asked its people for food, but they refused to offer them hospitality, and they found therein a wall about to collapse, so he restored it. Moses said, if you wished, you could have taken for it a payment.
قال هذا فراق بيني وبينك سأنبئك بتأويل ما لم تستطع عليه صبرا.
Al-Khidr said, this is parting between me and you. I will inform you of the interpretation of that about which you could not have patience.
أما السفينة فكانت لمساكين يعملون في البحر فأردت أن أعيبها وكان وراءهم ملك يأخذ كل سفينة غصبا.
As for the ship, it belonged to poor people working at sea. So I intended to cause defect in it, as there was after them a king who seized every good ship by force.
وأما الغلام فكان أبواه مؤمنين فخشينا أن يرهقهما طغيانا وكفرا.
And as for the boy, his parents were believers, and we feared that he would overburden them by transgression and disbelief.
فأردنا أن يبدلهما ربهما خيرا منه زكاة وأقرب رحما.
So we intended that their Lord should substitute for them one better than him in purity and nearer to mercy.
وأما الجدار فكان لغلامين يتيمين في المدينة وكان تحته كنز لهما وكان أبوهما صالحا فأراد ربك أن يبلغا أشدهما ويستخرجا كنزهما رحمة من ربك وما فعلته عن أمري ذلك تأويل ما لم تستطع عليه صبرا.
And as for the wall, it belonged to 2 orphan boys in the city, and there was beneath it a treasure for them, and their father had been righteous. So your Lord intended that they reach maturity and extract their treasure as a mercy from your Lord. And I did it not of my own accord. That is the interpretation of that about which you could not have patience.
ويسألونك عن ذي القرنين قل سأتلو عليكم منه ذكرا.
And they ask you, O Muhammad, about Dhul Qarnayn. Say, I will recite to you about him a report.
إنا مكنا له في الأرض وآتيناه من كل شيء سببا.
Indeed, we established him upon the earth, and we gave him to everything away.
فأتبع سببا.
So he followed away.
حتى إذا بلغ مغرب الشمس وجدها تغرب في عين حمئة ووجد عندها قوما قلنا يا ذا القرنين إما أن تعذب وإما أن تتخذ فيهم حسنا.
Until, when he reached the setting of the sun, he found it as if setting in a spring of dark mud, and he found near it a people. Allah said, O Dhul Qarnayn, either you punish them or else adopt among them a way of goodness.
قال أما من ظلم فسوف نعذبه ثم يرد إلى ربه فيعذبه عذابا نكرا.
He said, as for one who wrongs, we will punish him. Then he will be returned to his Lord, and he will punish him with a terrible punishment.
وأما من آمن وعمل صالحا فله جزاء الحسنى وسنقول له من أمرنا يسرا.
But as for one who believes and does righteousness, he will have a reward of the best reward, and we will speak to him from our command with ease.
ثم أتبع سببا
Then he followed away,
حتى إذا بلغ مطلع الشمس وجدها تطلع على قوم لم نجعل لهم من دونها سترا.
until when he came to the rising of the sun, he found it rising on a people for whom we had not made against it any shield.
كذلك وقد أحطنا بما لديه خبرا.
And we had encompassed all that he had in knowledge.
ثم أتبع سببا
Then he followed away,
حتى إذا بلغ بين السدين وجد من دونهما قوما لا يكادون يفقهون قولا.
until when he reached a pass between two mountains, he found beside them a people who could hardly understand his speech.
قالوا يا ذا القرنين إن يأجوج ومأجوج مفسدون في الأرض فهل نجعل لك خرجا على أن تجعل بيننا وبينهم سدا.
They said, O Dul-Qarnayn, indeed Gog and Magog are great corruptors in the land. So may we assign for you an expenditure that you might make between us and them a barrier?
قال ما مكني فيه ربي خير فاعينوني بقوة أجعل بينكم وبينهم ردما.
He said, that in which my Lord has established me is better than what you offer. But assist me with strength. I will make between you and them a dam.
آتوني زبر الحديد حتى إذا ساوى بين الصدفين قال انفخوا حتى إذا جعله نارا قال آتوني أفرغ عليه قطرا.
Bring me sheets of iron. Until when he had leveled them between the two mountain walls, he said, blow with bellows. Until when he had made it like fire, he said, bring me that I may pour over it molten copper.
فما استطاعوا أن يظهروه وما استطاعوا له نقبا.
So they, Gog and Magog, were unable to pass over it, nor were they able to effect in it any penetration.
قال هذا رحمة من ربي فإذا جاء وعد ربي جعله دكا وكان وعد ربي حقا.
Dul-Qarnayn said, this is a mercy from my Lord, but when the promise of my Lord comes, he will make it level, and ever is the promise of my Lord true.
وتركنا بعضهم يومئذ يموج في بعض ونفخ في الصور فجمعناهم جمعا.
And we will leave them that day surging over each other, and then the horn will be blown, and we will assemble them in one assembly.
وعرضنا جهنم يومئذ للكافرين عرضا.
And we will present hell that day to the disbelievers on display.
الذين كانت أعينهم في غطاء عن ذكري وكانوا لا يستطيعون سمعا.
Those whose eyes had been within a cover, removed from my remembrance, and they were not able to hear.
أفحسب الذين كفروا أن يتخذوا عبادي من دوني أولياء إنا أعتدنا جهنم للكافرين نزلا.
Then do those who disbelieve think that they can take my servants instead of me as allies? Indeed, we have prepared hell for the disbelievers as a lodging.
قل هل ننبئكم بالأخسرين أعمالا.
Say, shall we believers inform you of the greatest losers as to their deeds?
الذين ضل سعيهم في الحياة الدنيا وهم يحسبون أنهم يحسنون صنعا.
They are those whose effort is lost in worldly life, while they think that they are doing well in work.
أولئك الذين كفروا بآيات ربهم ولقائه فحبطت أعمالهم فلا نقيم لهم يوم القيامة وزنا.
Those are the ones who disbelieve in the verses of their Lord and in their meeting Him, so their deeds have become worthless, and we will not assign to them on the day of resurrection any weight.
ذلك جزاؤهم جهنم بما كفروا واتخذوا آياتي ورسلي هزوا.
That is their recompense, hell, for what they denied, and because they took my signs and my messengers in ridicule.
إن الذين آمنوا وعملوا الصالحات كانت لهم جنات الفردوس نزلا.
Indeed, those who have believed and done righteous deeds, they will have the gardens of paradise as a lodging.
خالدين فيها لا يبغون عنها حولا.
Wherein they abide eternally. They will not desire from it any transfer.
قل لو كان البحر مدادا لكلمات ربي لنفد البحر قبل أن تنفد كلمات ربي ولو جئنا بمثله مددا.
Say, if the sea were ink for writing the words of my Lord, the sea would be exhausted before the words of my Lord were exhausted, even if we brought the like of it as a supplement.
قل إنما أنا بشر مثلكم يوحى إلي أنما إلهكم إله واحد فمن كان يرجو لقاء ربه فليعمل عملا صالحا ولا يشرك بعبادة ربه أحدا.
Say, I am only a man like you, to whom has been revealed that your God is one God. So whoever would hope for the meeting with his Lord, let him do righteous work and not associate in the worship of his Lord anyone.
أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم.
I seek refuge with Allah from the accursed devil.
بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful.
ياسين.
Yasin,
والقرآن الحكيم
by the wise Quran,
إنك لمن المرسلين
indeed you, O Muhammad, are from among the messengers
على صراط مستقيم
on a straight path.
تنزيل العزيز الرحيم
This is a revelation of the exalted in might, the merciful,
لتنذر قوما ما أنذر آباؤهم فهم غافلون
that you may warn a people whose forefathers were not warned, so they are unaware.
لقد حق القول على أكثرهم فهم لا يؤمنون
Already the word has come into effect upon most of them, so they do not believe.
إنا جعلنا في أعناقهم أغلالا فهي إلى الأذقان فهم مقمحون
Indeed, we have put shackles on their necks, and they are to their chins, so they are with heads kept aloft.
وجعلنا من بين أيديهم سدا ومن خلفهم سدا فأغشيناهم فهم لا يبصرون
And we have put before them a barrier, and behind them a barrier, and covered them, so they do not see.
وسواء عليهم أأنذرتهم أم لم تنذرهم لا يؤمنون
And it is all the same for them, whether you warn them or do not warn them. They will not believe.
إنما تنذر من اتبع الذكر وخشي الرحمن بالغيب فبشره بمغفرة وأجر كريم
You can only warn one who follows the message and fears the most merciful unseen. So give him good tidings of forgiveness and noble reward.
إنا نحن نحيي الموتى ونكتب ما قدموا وآثارهم وكل شيء أحصيناه في إمام مبين
Indeed, it is we who bring the dead to life and record what they have put forth and what they left behind, and all things we have enumerated in a clear register.
واضرب لهم مثلا أصحاب القرية إذ جاءها المرسلون
And present to them an example, the people of the city when the messengers came to it.
إذ أرسلنا إليهم اثنين فكذبوهما فعززنا بثالث فقالوا إنا إليكم مرسلون
When we sent to them two, but they denied them, so we strengthened them with a third, and they said, Indeed, we are messengers to you.
قالوا ما أنتم إلا بشر مثلنا وما أنزل الرحمن من شيء إن أنتم إلا تكذبون
They said, You are not but human beings like us, and the most merciful has not revealed a thing. You are only telling lies.
قالوا ربنا يعلم إنا إليكم لمرسلون
They said, Our Lord knows that we are messengers to you,
وما علينا إلا البلاغ المبين
and we are responsible except for clear notification.
قالوا إنا تطيرنا بكم لئن لم تنتهوا لنرجمنكم وليمسنكم منا عذاب أليم.
They said, "Indeed, we consider you a bad omen. If you do not desist, we will surely stone you, and there will surely touch you from us a painful punishment."
قالوا طائركم معكم أئن ذكرتم بل أنتم قوم مسرفون.
They said, "Your omen is with yourselves. Is it because you were reminded? Rather, you are a transgressing people."
وجاء من أقصى المدينة رجل يسعى قال يا قوم اتبعوا المرسلين.
And there came from the farthest end of the city a man running. He said, "O my people, follow the messengers.
اتبعوا من لا يسألكم أجرا وهم مهتدون.
Those who do not ask of you any payment, and they are rightly guided."
وما لي لا أعبد الذي فطرني وإليه ترجعون.
And why should I not worship he who created me, and to whom you will be returned?
أتخذ من دونه آلهة إن يردني الرحمن بضر لا تغن عني شفاعتهم شيئا ولا ينقذون.
Should I take other than him false deities while, if the most merciful intends for me some adversity, their intercession will not avail me at all, nor can they save me?
إني إذا لفي ضلال مبين.
Indeed, I would then be in manifest error.
إني آمنت بربكم فاسمعون.
Indeed, I have believed in your Lord, so listen to me.
قيل ادخل الجنة قال يا ليت قومي يعلمون.
It was said, "Enter paradise." He said, "I wish my people could know
بما غفر لي ربي وجعلني من المكرمين.
of how my Lord has forgiven me and placed me among the honored."
وما أنزلنا على قومه من بعده من جود من السماء وما كنا منزلين.
And we did not send down upon his people after him any soldiers from the heaven, nor would we have done so.
إن كانت إلا صيحة واحدة فإذا هم خامدون.
It was not but one shout, and immediately they were extinguished.
يا حسرة على العباد ما يأتيهم من رسول إلا كانوا به يستهزئون.
How regretful for the servants. There never came to them a messenger, but they ridiculed him.
ألم يروا كم أهلكنا قبلهم من القرون أنهم إليهم لا يرجعون.
Have they not considered how many generations we destroyed before them, that they to them will not return?
وإن كل لما جميع لدينا محضرون.
And indeed, all of them will yet be brought present before us.
وآية لهم الأرض الميتة أحييناها وأخرجنا منها حبا فمنه يأكلون.
a sign for them is the dead earth. We have brought it to life and brought forth from it grain, and from it they eat.
وجعلنا فيها جنات من نخيل وأعناب وفجرنا فيها من العيون.
And we placed therein gardens of palm trees and grapevines and caused to gush forth therefrom some springs.
ليأكلوا من ثمره وما عملته أيديهم أفلا يشكرون.
That they may eat of his fruit, and their hands have not produced it, so will they not be grateful?
سبحان الذي خلق الأزواج كلها مما تنبت الأرض ومن أنفسهم ومما لا يعلمون.
Exalted is he who created all pairs, from what the earth grows and from themselves, and from that which they do not know.
وآية لهم الليل نسلخ منه النهار فإذا هم مظلمون.
And a sign for them is the night. We remove from it the light of day, so they are left in darkness.
والشمس تجري لمستقر لها ذلك تقدير العزيز العليم.
And the sun runs on course toward its stopping point. That is the determination of the exalted in might, the knowing.
والقمر قدرناه منازل حتى عاد كالعرجون القديم.
And the moon, we have determined for it phases until it returns, appearing like the old date stalk.
لا الشمس ينبغي لها أن تدرك القمر ولا الليل سابق النهار وكل في فلك يسبحون.
It is not allowable for the sun to reach the moon, nor does the night overtake the day, but each in an orbit is swimming.
وآية لهم أنا حملنا ذريتهم في الفلك المشحون.
And a sign for them is that we carried their forefathers in a laden ship.
وخلقنا لهم من مثله ما يركبون.
And we created for them from the likes of it that which they ride.
وإن نشأ نغرقهم فلا صريخ لهم ولا هم ينقذون.
And if we should will, we could drown them. Then no one responding to a cry would there be for them, nor would they be saved.
إلا رحمة منا ومتاعا إلى حين.
Except as a mercy from us and provision for a time.
وإذا قيل لهم اتقوا ما بين أيديكم وما خلفكم لعلكم ترحمون.
But when it is said to them, beware of what is before you and what is behind you, perhaps you will receive mercy.
وما تأتيهم من آية من آيات ربهم إلا كانوا عنها معرضين.
And no sign comes to them from the signs of their Lord except that they are from it turning away.
وإذا قيل لهم أنفقوا مما رزقكم الله قال الذين كفروا للذين آمنوا أنطعم من لو يشاء الله أطعمه إن أنتم إلا في ضلال مبين.
And when it is said to them, spend from what Allah has provided for you, those who disbelieve say to those who believe, should we feed one, whom, if Allah had willed, He would have fed? You are not but in clear error.
ويقولون متى هذا الوعد إن كنتم صادقين.
And they say, when is this promise if you should be truthful?
ما ينظرون إلا صيحة واحدة تأخذهم وهم يخصمون.
They do not await except one blast which will seize them while they are disputing.
فلا يستطيعون توصية ولا إلى أهلهم يرجعون.
And they will not be able to give any instruction, nor to their people can they return.
ونفخ في الصور فإذا هم من الأجداث إلى ربهم ينسلون.
And the horn will be blown, and at once from the graves to their Lord they will hasten.
قالوا يا ويلنا من بعثنا من مرقدنا هذا ما وعد الرحمن وصدق المرسلون.
They will say, "Oh, woe to us! Who has raised us up from our sleeping place?" The reply will be, "This is what the most merciful had promised, and the messengers told the truth."
إن كانت إلا صيحة واحدة فإذا هم جميع لدينا محضرون.
It will not be but one blast, and at once they are all brought present before us.
فاليوم لا تظلم نفس شيئا ولا تجزون إلا ما كنتم تعملون.
So today no soul will be wronged at all, and you will not be recompensed except for what you used to do.
إن أصحاب الجنة اليوم في شغل فاكهون.
Indeed, the companions of paradise that day will be amused in joyful occupation.
هم وأزواجهم في ظلال على الأرائك متكئون.
They and their spouses in shade reclining on adorned couches.
لهم فيها فاكهة ولهم ما يدعون.
For them therein is fruit, and for them is whatever they request or wish.
سلام قولا من رب رحيم.
And peace, a word from a merciful Lord.
وامتازوا اليوم أيها المجرمون.
Then he will say, "But stand apart today, you criminals.
ألم أعهد إليكم يا بني آدم ألا تعبدوا الشيطان إنه لكم عدو مبين.
Did I not enjoin upon you, O children of Adam, that you not worship Satan? For indeed, he is to you a clear enemy.
وأن اعبدوني هذا صراط مستقيم.
And that you worship only me? This is a straight path.
ولقد أضل منكم جبلا كثيرا أفلم تكونوا تعقلون.
And he had already led astray from among you much of creation. So did you not use reason?
هذه جهنم التي كنتم توعدون.
This is the hellfire which you were promised.
اصلوها اليوم بما كنتم تكفرون.
Enter to, burn therein today for what you used to deny.
اليوم نختم على أفواههم وتكلمنا أيديهم وتشهد أرجلهم بما كانوا يكسبون.
That day we will seal over their mouths, and their hands will speak to us, and their feet will testify about what they used to earn. And if we willed, we could have obliterated their eyes, and they would race to the path. And how could they see?
ولو نشاء لمسخناهم على مكانتهم فما استطاعوا مضيا ولا يرجعون.
And if we willed, we could have deformed them, paralyzing them in their places, so they could neither advance nor return.
ومن نعمره نكسه في الخلق أفلا يعقلون.
And he to whom we grant long life we reverse in creation, so will they not understand.
وما علمناه الشعر وما ينبغي له إن هو إلا ذكر وقرآن مبين.
And we did not give Prophet Muhammad knowledge of poetry, nor is it befitting for him. It is not but a message in a clear Quran.
لينذر من كان حيا ويحق القول على الكافرين.
To warn whoever is alive and justify the word against the disbelievers.
أولم يروا أنا خلقنا لهم مما عملت أيدينا أنعاما فهم لها مالكون.
Do they not see that we have created for them from what our hands have made, grazing livestock, and then they are their owners?
وذللناها لهم فمنها ركوبهم ومنها يأكلون.
And we have tamed them for them, so some of them they ride, and some of them they eat.
ولهم فيها منافع ومشارب أفلا يشكرون.
And for them therein are other benefits and drinks, so will they not be grateful?
واتخذوا من دون الله آلهة لعلهم ينصرون.
But they have taken besides Allah false deities that perhaps they would be helped.
لا يستطيعون نصرهم وهم لهم جند محضرون.
They are not able to help them, and they themselves are for them soldiers in attendance.
فلا يحزنك قولهم إنا نعلم ما يسرون وما يعلنون.
So let not their speech grieve you. Indeed, we know what they conceal and what they declare.
أولم ير الإنسان أنا خلقناه من نطفة فإذا هو خصيم مبين.
Does man not consider that we created him from a sperm drop? Then at once he is a clear adversary?
وضرب لنا مثلا ونسي خلقه قال من يحيي العظام وهي رميم.
And he presents for us an example and forgets his own creation. He says, who will give life to bones while they are disintegrated?
قل يحييها الذي أنشاها أول مرة وهو بكل خلق عليم.
Say, he will give them life who produced them the first time, and he is of all creation knowing.
الذي جعل لكم من الشجر الأخضر نارا فإذا أنتم منه توقدون.
It is he who made for you from the green tree fire, and then from it you ignite.
أوليس الذي خلق السماوات والأرض بقادر على أن يخلق مثلهم بلى وهو الخلاق العليم.
Is not he who created the heavens and the earth able to create the likes of them? Yes, it is so, and he is the knowing creator.
إنما أمره إذا أراد شيئا أن يقول له كن فيكون.
His command is only when he intends a thing that he says to it, be, and it is.
فسبحان الذي بيده ملكوت كل شيء وإليه ترجعون.
So So exalted is he in whose hand is the realm of all things, and to him you will be returned.